Yeah, baby. Left, right, left, right. This thing's been stuck for about a couple weeks now, but this hack certainly seems to do the trick. 3 ways to remove injectors. You can twist them, you can hammer them out, or you can pry them out. Let me show you which one's best. This is a 2007 to 2018 Sprinter Injector. The pry tool goes right on where the injector holder goes, and the idea is you slowly turn it, this thing slowly pushes down, pulling the injector up. Unfortunately, this tool doesn't work too well in that there's no flat surface to push against, given that the area immediately adjacent to the injector is extremely uneven. This tool does not work. It is completely useless for Sprinter injectors. Second option, using a hammering tool. Now this is a slightly longer one, you get the idea. A slide hammer, it fits onto the top of the injector and you knock it out with a little bit of momentum pulling up on the injector. Although this is a perfectly useful and valid means of pulling the injectors out, it does not work given that the space on top of the injector, especially on the back ones, you only have about maybe 5 or 6 inches of space. This tool is not good for most injectors on a Sprinter. Now, before I get to the ideal way of removing these, let me show you the idea on an older injector, 2004 to 2006 Sprinter. This was a lot easier given that the high pressure fuel rail fits on to the side. Throw a 13mm socket on there, rotate left, rotate right, left, right, and then it'll slowly work its way out through the twisting method. Now, unfortunately, on these newer injectors, there's no really anywhere to twist. The return line is way too fragile, plastic base. You do not want to put any force on there. Here's where the 1/2 inch comes in. Fits perfectly onto the injector holder right here, so you gain maximum leverage. You have all the leverage you need. Rotate left, rotate right. This thing's coming out regardless of just how stuck it is. Let me show you an example. Saving the day on a stuck injector. Yeah, baby. Left, right, left, right. This thing's been stuck for about a couple weeks now, but this hack certainly seems to do the trick. Let's show you what this looks like here.